Hello po, kain tayo. Dinner ko, munggo with eggplant at saka kalabasa. And then, pritong isda at pritong talong. And of course, the special sausawan na maanghang. Okay. For sure, masarap to. Naka-chance ako pumunta ng Asian shop today. Kamay ulit tayo. Namiss ko tong isda, oh. I'll try some. Timing kasi malamig.